Have you ever sat back and thought, what are the most productive years of your life? Maybe wondering, gagging, what are the most golden years of my life? Well, today, that's what we'll be diving into. Before we get into it, I just want to quickly introduce myself and my purpose here. I'm 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭, but you can call me Gagan. And my purpose here is to help your self-improvement journey as much as possible. So if you really want to maximize your self-improvement journey, hit that subscribe button. It's a win-win situation. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick and dirty definition of productivity. Now, productivity is basically how efficiently we turn inputs into outputs. For us, it's about the quality and quantity of our efforts, essentially. So, spending 100 hours in the gym, don't kid yourself. You're putting in quantity, but are you really putting in quality when you're spending 100 hours in the gym? That's not productivity at all. That's just you just trying to feel good about yourself. That's just you trying to get the instant gratification of, oh, look, I'm in the gym for 100 hours. Yay. What's wrong with you? In terms of productivity, it's not easy. I completely understand. We all hit roadblocks that turn our productivity into absolute dirty. Think, for example, procrastination, overwhelming responsibilities, and just the struggle of balancing work with life or school with life. We've all been there. Now, before I tell you the secrets to hitting peak productivity and the golden ages, just before I mention them, if you were expecting me to say, oh, the most productive years of your life is X amount of years until Y amount of years, or, oh, the most productive time in your life is when you're 1 year old because you've got all the time in the world, yay, think again. Nope, hell no. That's what separates the people who are successful to the people who aren't successful. If you clicked on this video to find an answer for me to tell you 18 to Y age is the time that you're most productive, no. How productive you are depends on these next factors that I will tell you. In order to hit peak productivity, you need two things. You may be wondering, Gagan, what are those two things? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you right now. Now, first of all, a rock solid routine. If you're young, you go to school at a certain time. You hit the gym at a certain time. You study at a certain time. Do not be winging this. Make sure everything is structured. Write it down if you really need to. Put it on your phone lock screen if you really need to, because that really does help. I want you to try it if you don't believe me, and let me know in the comments how you find it. If you're older, you just swap in the daily tasks and errands, keep that productivity train rolling. Simple, right? Secondly, this is the most important factor. Consistency and adaptability are your boys. They're the man them. Embrace change, stay committed to your goals, and keep tweaking all your strategies. Make sure you're also surrounding yourself with supportive, inspiring people that will help bring you to the top. All of you get to the top together. How beautiful does that sound? With the right mindset, habits, the right people, you'll also see a major boost in your productivity. Now that you have two ways in order to maximize your productivity, what I want you to do now is to stop binging on video after video, looking for some magic secret or some magic pill to make you focus. What I told you now was not a secret. I told you it was a secret, but it wasn't. It's just basic. I just told you, have a routine and make sure you stay consistent. That is all you need to maximize your productivity. There is no random magic pill. There is no random magic strategy or anything like that in order to really be as productive as you've ever been in your life. The real productivity is when you get yourself a routine that's manageable and you stick with it. So, matter of fact, what I want you to do now, write yourself a routine that you can stick to and you can be consistent with. Because what's the point if you're just completely winging life, watching video after video, spending all of your precious time trying to be productive, making yourself feel that you're being productive, when you know yourself, you might not be as productive as you think. You just have to just do the work. That's all there is to it. As usual, I hope this helped you. Subscribe if you're new and keep the post notifications on. Why should I keep the post notifications on? You might be wondering. Why? So I can improve your self-improvement journey as much as possible. Standard. Drop a like and a comment if you found value. Drop a dislike if you didn't. The buttons are there to use. And I'm going to catch you in the next one.
Do it! Just do it!